2002 Chevy S10 quad cab or crew cab, whatever you want to call it. V6. Still got factory converter there. It's only, and then another converter there. Then what we did is straight pipe duals, wide pipe setup, right there. 2 1/4 to 2 1/4 tailpipes, custom bent all the way back right there and right there. And over the axle, you want to clear everything right there like that. There's the wide pipe into 3.5-inch tips, angle cut, straight out the back, right there and right there. That's how you get them dualed out, boys and girls. Let us know what you guys think of the sound when you hear it. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. Much better. Chevy S10. There's sound decibels. 106. There's the exhaust we cut off of it. We don't like mufflers here. We cut them off all the time. He took it mud too. Straight pipe duals, that's 10. What you guys hear on the inside? He said he's gonna smash down on it. Let's see.